me, Saffron. Today I was going to do a blind bag mix, but my camera, it died, so it turned off and I couldn't do, I couldn't carry on the video. So I opened a Disney minifigure, and I've got the two, Finding Dory and blind bags. So I got Minnie out of this. I don't know if she holds anything. No, I just got Minnie. So now I'm going to open the Finding Dory blind bags. There. I haven't opened any of these yet on my channel. I even opened them off camera as well. So I got Crusher. And I'm also, after I've completed the set, I am off camera, I'm making a nice little display to put these ones on, because these ones are really good. So I'm going to open this one. There. And I like the pull tags. So, I've got Nemo. I'm Finding Nemo. So I've got cute little Nemo. So I've got Nemo, Crusher. So I've got Nemo, so Nemo, Crusher and Minnie. So thank you guys for watching. Like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!